Hello people, how you going? Have you ever known anyone to cark it? Well, pretty sooner or later you're going to cark it, so I think it's a word that you need to learn. So, today I'll teach you the word cark it. So you know when you go into a hospital and there's someone just on the bed and, well, they're not feeling well. They're not really feeling well at all. Actually, what they're feeling is terminally ill. And that means they're going to cark it. So, when someone carks it, it means that they actually die. So, cark it, to cark, probably comes from the word carcass. And carcass just means dead body. And when you put it together with cark it just comes with a natural slang. Well, I presume it used to be a slang, but now it is just part of our vocabulary. So when you say, my uncle carked it last week, you're just saying, my uncle died last week. So, that's how you could use it in a sentence. How about a story? I know, in 2005, my grandmother, she was at a nursing home. And she was in there after she had dementia, Alzheimer's. I can't remember which one it is. And she was in there and she just acted funny. Like she'll go in and she was like this. Hi, hi, hi. And I give her 50 cents and she wouldn't recognise who I am. But she recognised 50 cents because 50 cent coin was around when she was younger. Come out when she was about 40, I believe. So, yeah, she recognised money. But she just wasn't feeling well. So, that was in Melbourne. So they decided to take her to the country town of Hamilton, which was nice. I actually never went up there and saw her, but she was with most of the family up there, which is pretty good. And one day, well, they just got a phone call, like a lot of people do. And they went into the nursing home, or rehabilitation centre, actually it was. And she had died. She died a few hours beforehand. But she was still warm. So the body takes a while to cool down after it dies. And that was really upsetting. Even though a lot of the children were not the best of children anyway. About half of them are deceased as well. So, she actually carked it during the night. And that is how people cark it. Sooner or later, everyone you know is going to cark it. You're going to cark it. I'm going to cark it. It's just a natural fact of life. Your pets are going to cark it. Same with your car. Yes, you can use it with non-living organisms as well. So, when you're driving in your car, oh beautiful. Oh shit, my car carked it. It died. Oh my god. And I'm doing washing at the moment, so if I hear the washing machine go boom, 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 and it just carks it. It died. So, you can extend this word to things that were functioning and no longer functioning as well. So, in conclusion, you can use it for a person or an animal, the animal carked it, or you can use it for an object like that's running. So, the car carked it, the airplane carked it, the washing machine carked it. But you cannot use it for something like a rock. The rock carked it. We just don't use it that way. It has to be a working machine. It has to be working. You can't say this book carked it. How the hell does this book cark it? It doesn't actually work by itself. So it can't cark it. But this phone can actually cark it. Because this phone is actually running at the moment. So I got a computer system so we can cark it. This coin can't cark it because you put it down, what's the coin doing? Nothing. It's just a piece of metal, so the coin cannot cark it. So, for something to kake, it has to be actually run. So I hope this clears up what the word kake is and how you use it in a sentence. And just keep on learning Australian English slang. Well, just keep on learning English. Wherever you are, they have slang. So just keep on learning it. And have an awesome day. Hooroo, mate.